Hello everyone, myself Deepali Ram Rawag, Assistant Professor, Sweri College of Pharmacy, Pandharpur. Today I explain you psychopharmacological agent. According to the PCI syllabus, it is a point of Unit 5 that is a drug acting on central nervous system. In that, psychopharmacological agent include antipsychotic, antidepressant, anti-anxiety agent, anti-manic. Today we will discuss detail about the psychotropic agent. Let's see introduction. Psychotropic agents are those which having primary effect on mental process based on manifestation. Psychiatric disorder can be categorized by psychosis, mania, depression. It consists of following characteristic: acute and chronic brain syndrome, functional disorder. In that functional disorder like that serious alteration in emotional though and behavior, that is schizophrenia, splitting of perception and interpretation from reality, hallucination, inability to think coherently. Next is the mania. Mania in that include hyperactivity, uncontrollable though and speech associated with violent behavior. Next is the depression. In that characteristics sadness, guilt, physical and mental slowing, self-destructive ideation. Next is the neurosis. In that characteristic, these are less serious, ability to understand the reality, and though depending on extreme feature, it labeled as anxiety, observing, compulsory, reactive depression, stress. Next is the disease of schizophrenia. In this characteristic, schizophrenia is a group of heterogeneous chronic psychotic disorder. The major symptoms include hallucination, delusion, and abnormal experience such as a perception of loss of control on one's thoughts. Patient loss empathy and other become withdrawn and demonstrate inappropriate or blunted mood. The disorder has a strong genetic component as demonstrated by a concordance of 40 to 50% between monozygotic twins, but no objective physiological or biochemical diagnostic test exists in that schizophrenia characteristic. Next is the psychotropic drug. Antipsychotic, neuroleptic, atretic, major tranquilizer, all type are used in psychosis. Anti-anxiety, anti-anxiolytic, sedative, minor tranquilizer are used for the anxiety and phobic state. Antidepressant used for minor as well as major depressive illness, phobic state, obsessive compulsive behavior, and certain anxiety disorder. Anti-manic agent used to control mania. Next is the antipsychotic agent. They are divided into two types, first generation and second generation. In first generation, antipsychotic agents are blocked of D2 receptor in mesolimbic pathway, resulting in reduced positive symptoms in schizophrenia. In that block of D2 receptor in mesocortical pathway, which is already deficient in schizophrenia, causes cognitive symptoms. Blocked of D2 receptor in nigrostriatal pathway produce extra pyramidal symptoms such as motor abnormalities, tardive dyskinesia, or hyperkinetic movement disorder. Blockade of D2 receptor in pathway causes hyperprolactemia. In second generation antipsychotics agent in mesolimbic pathway, the action of D2 receptor blocked and antipsychotic are more robust and 5-HT2 antagonist This may help to reducing positive symptoms. In mesocortical pathway, dopamine efficiency causes negative and cogenitive symptoms in mesocortical pathway. Next is the first generation antipsychotics and second generation antipsychotics. Pharmacological action of antipsychotics. Let's see in detail. Central nervous system effect difference in normal and psychotic individual. In that the central nervous system spontaneous movement are minimized, but slurring of speech, ataxia or motor incoordination does not occur. This has been referred to neuroleptic syndrome, quite different from sedative action of barbiturate and other similar drugs. In psychotics, it reduces irrational behavior, agitation and aggressiveness, and controlled psychotics symptomology. Disturbed thought and behavior are gradually normalized, and anxiety relieved, hallucination and delusion are suppressed. In that phenothiazine produce more sedation and cause greater potential of hypnotics, opioid etc. The sedation effect produce immediately, while antipsychotics effect takes weeks to develop. Next action is the autonomic nervous system. Neuroleptic has a varying degree of alpha adrenergic blocking activity. Next is a local anesthetic. Chlorpromazine as potent local anesthetic as a procaine. However, it is not used for this purpose because of its irritant action. Others have weaker membrane stabilizing action in that autonomic nervous system. In central nervous system,